I used to think electric grills were a joke. Last summer, my apartment banned charcoal, forcing me to buy a cheap electric model. It ruined my weekend BBQ with soggy burgers, zero sear, and a nightmare cleanup. Choosing an electric grill is a minefield of underpowered hot plates masquerading as BBQ lifesavers. But after rigorously testing the top contenders on the market, I've finally found the ones that actually deliver that authentic, charred flavor. Today, we're counting down the top 7 electric grills, and you won't believe the absolute powerhouse waiting at number 1. Let's dive in. Seven. Cuisinart CEG-980. It is built to be a grab-and-go solution, folding up somewhat like a briefcase, which I initially thought would make it the ultimate companion for tailgating or beach trips where open flames are prohibited. Setting it up takes mere seconds, and the 145 square inch grilling surface feels surprisingly adequate for a couple of burgers and some hot dogs. However, my hands-on experience quickly revealed that portability comes at a significant cost to stability, as the telescopic stand feels distressingly flimsy when you're aggressively scraping the grates clean or flipping heavier cuts of meat. The heating performance is where the CEG-980 begins to show its true limitations during actual cooking sessions. I plugged it in on a mildly breezy afternoon, and the 1,500 watt heating element struggled immensely to maintain a consistent cooking temperature. While it eventually got hot enough to cook basic stadium-style hot dogs and thin chicken breasts, getting a respectable sear on a thick ribeye steak was virtually impossible. The heat escapes rapidly through the thin metal hood, meaning that every time you peek to check on your food, you lose precious degrees that take several agonizing minutes to recover, leaving your meat baking rather than grilling. Cooking on this unit requires a massive amount of patience and a major adjustment of expectations if you are used to traditional gas or charcoal grilling, because the heat distribution is heavily localized directly above the circular heating element. The outer edges of the porcelain enameled grate remain frustratingly cool. I found myself playing an endless game of musical chairs with my food, constantly rotating sausages and vegetable skewers from the cold perimeter to the hot center, just to achieve an even cook. 6. Charbroil Bisto Pro Electric 3-in-1 Grill. The Charbroil Bistro Pro arrived with a massive promise of unmatched versatility, boasting the ability to act as an electric grill, a griddle, and even a charcoal grill. On paper, this sounds like the ultimate space-saving miracle for an indecisive cook. During the initial assembly, I appreciated the robust feel of the main barrel and the included interchangeable cast iron griddle plate. I immediately set out to test its morning capabilities, cooking up a massive batch of bacon, eggs, and pancakes. The griddle surface performed decently, giving me a solid breakfast spread, but the transition from griddle to traditional grill mode exposed some glaring foundational flaws. When operating purely as an electric grill, the performance is wildly inconsistent and deeply frustrating. The heating element is suspended below the grates, but there is a significant gap that allows heat to dissipate unevenly across the cooking surface. I tossed on 4 thick pork chops, and while the 2 in the direct center cooked rapidly and even began to burn, the 2 on the outer edges remained pale and entirely unseared. You have to constantly monitor and babysit your food, shuffling items around the grate every 2 minutes, which completely defeats the laid-back appeal of weekend grilling. Furthermore, the temperature control dial feels entirely disconnected from reality. Despite the knob indicating a smooth gradient of heat levels, I found that the grill essentially operates in only 2 true modes, barely simmering or aggressively scorching. Trying to find the perfect medium-high heat for roasting thick vegetables or slowly cooking bone-in chicken thighs resulted in a burnt exterior and a raw interior. The heavily advertised 3-in-1 capability feels like a classic case of trying to be a jack of all trades, ultimately mastering none of them and delivering a mediocre experience across the board. 5. Charbroil TRU-Infrared Patio Bistro Electric Grill. This grill utilizes Charbroil's signature TRU-Infrared cooking technology, and after testing it heavily, I can confidently say it's not just a marketing gimmick. When I fired it up on my patio, the unique grate design worked flawlessly to prevent the heating element from directly scorching the meat. Instead, it creates a radiant heat surface that virtually eliminates flare-ups. I purposely cooked heavily marinated, fatty chicken wings that would normally cause towering infernos on other electric models. and a Patio Bistro handled them gracefully without a single uncontrolled flame. The heat distribution here is incredibly impressive, completely fixing the cold spot issues I encountered with the lower-ranked models. The entire 240 square inch cooking surface gets uniformly hot, allowing you to utilize every single inch of great space. I hosted a small gathering and managed to comfortably fit 12 large burgers on the grill simultaneously, with all of them finishing at the exact same time. The infrared heat also does a phenomenal job of locking in moisture. My burgers were noticeably juicier, and the steaks developed a beautiful edge-to-edge crust that mirrored the results of a much larger gas-guzzling appliance. Another major highlight is the physical design and build quality. The oven-style raised lid is fantastic because it allows you to cook larger, bulky items that simply wouldn't fit under a standard clamshell hood. I successfully roasted an entire whole chicken utilizing a low and slow heat setting, and the ambient temperature inside the dome remained perfectly stable throughout the 2-hour cook. The heavy duty wheels and sturdy pedestal base make it easy to maneuver around a cramped deck while still feeling incredibly stable when you are aggressively brushing the grates. Cleaning the TRU-Infrared grates requires a slightly different approach, but it is ultimately highly rewarding. 4. Weber Lumin Portable Electric Grill. The Weber genuinely shocked me with just how much raw power it packs into such a sleek, modern, and compact frame. From the moment I plugged it in, it felt like a premium piece of technology rather than a traditional backyard appliance. The standout feature here is its ability to reach temperatures exceeding 600 degrees Fahrenheit, which is practically unheard of in the portable electric category. I tested this by throwing on a massive, thick-cut New York strip steak. The moment the meat hit the porcelain enameled cast iron grates, it produced a violent, aggressive sizzle, delivering a restaurant-quality sear and deep, dark grill marks that I previously thought were impossible without charcoal. What elevates the Lumin beyond just a high-heat searing machine is its incredible multifunctionality. Weber built this unit to steam, smoke, and boil, all using interchangeable accessories. I filled the included reservoir with water and a handful of soaked hickory wood chips. Within minutes, the Lumin was billowing fragrant, aromatic smoke. I slow-cooked a rack of baby back ribs using this method, and the meat took on an authentic, rich, smoky flavor profile that completely fooled my guests into thinking I had spent all day tending to a traditional offset smoker. It bridges the gap between convenience and authentic BBQ culture effortlessly. Despite its incredible power, the physical footprint of the Lumin makes it an absolute dream for balcony owners or RV enthusiasts. It has a beautifully modern aesthetic that looks fantastic sitting on a tabletop, and the low-profile dome means it easily slides onto storage shelves when not in use. The front-mounted control knob is incredibly precise, offering tactile, responsive adjustments that immediately translate to the heating element. 3. Ninja OG751 Woodfire Pro. The Ninja OG751 completely redefines what an outdoor electric appliance can be, merging the convenience of a modern kitchen gadget with the rugged appeal of outdoor smoking. My favorite feature by a landslide is the integrated smart thermometer system. You simply insert the probe into your steak or chicken, select your desired doneness on the digital display, and the grill handles the rest entirely on its own. I tested this with a thick, expensive cut of prime rib, setting it to a perfect medium rare. The Ninja monitored the internal temperature flawlessly and audibly alerted me the precise second was time to pull the meat off. It takes 100% of the guesswork out of grilling, delivering flawless, repeatable results every single time. The Woodfire technology is not just a clever name, it is a massive culinary advantage. The unit features a small, integrated smoke box on the side that burns a tiny half cup of real hardwood pellets. Because the pellets are used exclusively for flavor and not for generating the actual cooking heat, a single bag lasts for months. I smoked a large batch of pulled pork shoulder, and the rich, authentic smoke ring and deep bark that developed on the exterior were absolutely mind-blowing. It perfectly mimics the taste of a traditional pellet grill, but in a fraction of the time and space. Beyond grilling and smoking, the Ninja OG751 acts as a fully functional, massive outdoor air fryer. It features a powerful convection fan that circulates high-speed hot air around the cooking chamber. 2. Current Model G Dual Zone Grill. The absolute standout feature here is the true dual zone cooking capability, which is a massive rarity in the electric grill market. Unlike standard electrics with a single continuous coil, the Model G utilizes 2 entirely independent heating zones. I tested this by searing thick flank steaks on the right side at a blistering 700 degrees Fahrenheit, or simultaneously grilling delicate asparagus and zucchini on the left side at a gentle 350 degrees. It handles complex, multi-course meals with the finesse and control of a high-end gas range. The smart integration on this grill is flawlessly executed and genuinely enhances the cooking experience. The current app pairs seamlessly with the grill via Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor exact grate temperatures, set custom timers, and receive push notifications when your food is ready to flip. I was able to step away to prep a salad in my kitchen while keeping a real-time eye on the heating curves right from my phone. The grill efficiently maximizes standard 110-volt outlets, utilizing an intelligent power sharing algorithm that rapidly directs energy to whichever zone needs heat the fastest, ensuring incredibly fast recovery times when you open the lid. Aesthetically, the Model G is a total showstopper. It does not look like a compromise. It looks like a luxury appliance. The heavy-duty, weather-resistant exterior feels incredibly robust, easily shrugging off a sudden summer rainstorm during my testing period without any electrical hiccups. The internal cooking chamber features heavily insulated walls that lock in the heat, making it highly efficient and safe to use on wooden apartment balconies. The heavy cast iron grates provide a massive amount of thermal mass, meaning they hold onto their heat beautifully and brand food with deep, professional-looking grill marks. 1. Weber Q2400 Electric Grill. While it may lack the digital screens and Wi-Fi connectivity of the runners-up, it wins the top spot because it offers the purest, most uncompromised, and absolute best raw grilling performance on the market. When you lift the incredibly heavy cast aluminum lid, you immediately understand the build quality. The porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates are massive and heavy, holding an immense amount of thermal energy. I loaded the entire 280 square inch surface with heavily chilled, thick cut burgers, and the Weber didn't even flinch. The heat recovery was instantaneous, completely mimicking the aggressive power of a traditional gas grill. The beauty of the Q2400 lies in its masterful simplicity and unparalleled heat retention. The massive 1,560 watt heating element wraps intelligently around the entire perimeter and through the center, ensuring there is not a single cold spot on the entire grill. I cook everything from delicate flaky salmon fillets to dense, hearty portobello mushrooms, and the infinite heat control knob provided flawless, granular control over the temperature. The shape of the cast aluminum body specifically directs grease away from the elements, creating a gentle, smoky sizzle as drippings vaporize, infusing your food with that unmistakable, authentic barbecue flavor. This grill is built like an absolute tank and is designed to last for decades. Unlike cheaper models with flimsy plastic bases, the Q2400 utilizes a glass-reinforced nylon frame that easily supports the heavy upper body without a millimeter of wobble. It feels incredibly safe and secure, whether perched on a dedicated rolling cart or placed directly on a patio table. The sheer size of the cooking area means you can easily cook for a family of 4 or 5 without having to work in frustrating, time-consuming batches. Outro. That's all for today.